video. It has been a tough week, but by God's grace, we were able to overcome it. And here we are again, invading your YouTube screen. Welcome back, and I will be unboxing, guys, the birthday gift of my hubby to me, and it makes me so happy. So here it is. Ta-da! Samsung Galaxy A30s. Before I open it, guys, let me thank the sponsor of my turban from the creative hands of Ma'am Dayan Vit Makasawa. Thank you. And so let's start. Let's check further. Ta-da! Ta-da! Woohoo! So what's in the box? It's the phone. The phone. It says here, more for you to enjoy. Char, I enjoy talaga daw ako. Okay, next is another box. So let's check later on what's in here. So we have here the quick charger and the charger cable, USB Type-C charger cable. Let's put it back in here again. And the 3.5mm earbuds. Okay. And nothing more. Okay, so let's check here what's in here. Ta-da! Another phone? No, it's a casing. The casing for the phone. And here is the warranty card. And the quick start guide. Tuturuan po ako kung paano ito gagamitin. Okay, I will be showing to you guys some of the specifications of this phone as to why my hubby chooses this for me. Ang mga simple specifications lang po ito, which will, according to him, which will make me WOW. Wow daw sa phone. Okay, let's start. So the display of this phone, guys, is, according to the guide, it has a Super AMOLED touch screen. So, ang soft po niya. Ayan. And it has its platform for its operating system is Android 10. Android 10 daw ito. And for the chipset, it's Exynos 7904. I don't know what's Exynos. It says here Exynos 7904. And its CPU, accordingly, is Octa Core. Octa Core. And for the memory, guys, which most of us, ito yung palagi natin tinatanong magkano yung pwedeng maalagay sa phone na files. Files ba yun? Its internal memory is 64 gigabytes and it has 4 gigabytes RAM. What's the meaning of RAM? Random access memory! Nakainom-dum pa ko, guys. And for the main camera, it has 3 cameras in here. 1, 2, 3. Chart. And it has like wide, ultra wide, and for the depth. And aside from these 3 cameras, it also has a selfie camera. Ayan. Okay, next is, for some of its features, guys, it has a fingerprint. So pwede lang ganyan. Pag mag-on. Ayan. And the battery for this phone is non-removable. And it has 4,000 milliamp hour battery. And its charging is fast. It has fast charging according to this guide. And for the color of my phone is Prism Crush Green. Prism Crush Green. Thank you so much guys for watching in my unboxing. Thank you guys. Shout out po pala sa mga supportive friends ko out there. At Charot Yes Channel, A30s Vlogger TV, Geraldine Ramirez, RDS Mix Vlog, Adia U, Rebirth, S and R16, Binggit, Luto-Lutoan TV, Jonah Evangelista, The Aloe Vera Garden, Dramatology PH, Don't See Capture. Thanks for watching and thanks for watching everyone. Blessed day ahead.